Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 66,422 miles, this Toreador Red Metallic 2001 Ford Explorer Sport equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.